Hola, welcome to our new duplex with sunny terrace. It has a really modern kitchen with all you need, and it also has a small bathroom, but the good thing about that, it has even a shower. It is an open space with nice bright colors, all open. With a really nice sunny terrace. Again, the location is fantastic. It is in the town center. As you can see, the town hall is right there, 1 minute walking distance, surrounded by many restaurants, shops, bars, and you really are in the center of Mijas. We go up where we have 2 bedrooms, very nice decorated, with a lot of light. This is the main bedroom, with nice views to the pool also, which is in front of the apartment. Here you have the bathroom. And this is the second bedroom that has 2 separate beds. And the good thing about this bedroom is also the views. You can see the Mediterranean Ocean from here. And it has also a lot of light.